Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon's buy now pay later. So it's really simple and easy. In order to use buy now pay later, first of all you have to register for buy now pay later, and to do this what you need to do is basically open your browser and then you have to come on this buy now pay later services on Amazon. Right over here you will be see all of these options away as to what kind of products you can buy with EMI, with no cost EMI, of course no interest rate. That means which means you can shop on Amazon right away, but you can choose to pay later within 3 to 6 months or anything as such based on the details. And this is basically a new hassle free service that Amazon has basically launched so that users who want to buy services on EMI, of course if the company allows it for their products, then you will be able to buy and pay later using the EMS services on Amazon. And of course there are also some type of eligibility criteria that you can use for Amazon pay later services, and that is that you need to have an Amazon.in account. So far I am pretty sure it's working on India, but I'm not sure about other regions, which means that you need to have an Amazon.in account with a verified mobile number, a valid permanent account number or also known as your PAN ID, your card, your bank account with one of the selected banks from Amazon, and of course one of the officially valid documents of address is proof such as your driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar card, utility bills, which should not be more than older than 60 days of course, and it must also be 23 or above 23 years of age to be able to apply for Amazon pay later. And these are some of the eligibility criteria. Once you have done this, if any product is eligible for EMI, which means from the official store, during the checkout process you will most likely be able to find buy now pay later with no cost EMI options as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.